Hello, my name is Peter Bedrosian. I am the Senior Product Planning Manager for Nissan Commercial Vehicles. Today I'm going to give you a quick walk around of the new NV full-size van, and we'll get started with the exterior design here. One thing I want to show you is the front-end design of this van. We want to create this very masculine, truck-like feel to the product, and as you can see, we have the Nissan chrome strut grille, and it has a very aggressive front end. And as you move to the side, it's very evident that it goes beyond just styling. One of the things that we wanted to create was a pickup truck-like packaging. Traditional vans have the engine, part of the engine inside the cabin, which really intrudes into the passenger comfort and space. So we push the engine back out like a truck. But beyond B-pillar, we provide a traditional cargo van space and utility. One thing that you'll see on this model here is that we're showing the high roof version, which is unique to the segment. It is the first body-on-frame high roof product in the marketplace. Our competitors don't offer this. And going back to our research, this was something that our customers really wanted to do. They want to be able to get in the van, stand up, whether it's pulling parts or actually doing repairs inside the van. They wanted that comfort. And on the body side here, we have this really large sliding door. You can actually load pallets from the side. And the sliding door actually extends almost to the top of the roof, so you can walk in comfortably from the side of the vehicle. Later on, we'll show you the interior in more detail. On the back of the vehicle, we have a lot of innovations here too. We have the tall doors for the high roof. And when you open the doors, you can actually unlatch them, and they'll rotate all the way around for getting very wide cargo into the cargo area. And we have one of the widest openings in the segment. And behind the door, we actually have storage pockets and lots of utility. We built this model to showcase the interior innovations. Let's walk in and show you some of the details. As you can tell, we're in the high roof model here. This was a huge customer want in our research, to be able to walk in, access everything that's in the van, whether it's tools or materials. This was a very key element of this product. And we have a lot of details inside the vehicle that were based on our customer research, listening to the customers, actually just observing how these products are used. You'll notice a lot of attachment points here that are built in. So we have these reinforced weld nuts that an operator, business owner can use to attach racks and bins, shelving, whatever upfit that they have, they can accommodate without having to drill into the metal on their own. Another big item was visibility and lighting inside the vehicle, and a lot of these vans actually have maybe one light and very low wattage, so we provided actually 3 lights in this vehicle, so it's very well lit, so they can work inside the van. On our high roof model, we have these protective panels on the interior. This just really limits some of the body damage that can occur from objects moving around inside the van, and really cleans up the interior quite a bit. We have one of the widest floor width, especially between the wheel wells, and this allows us to actually load 2 full pallets, one from the rear, one from the side. In this model, we have pointed out all of the key elements of the interior. As you can see, there's a lot of items here, and one of the big things from our research is that these drivers were not comfortable in the current vans, and they were looking for more comfort, more storage for their products. In the high roof here, you can see we have an overhead storage bin. We have lots of room in the foot area, and you don't see the traditional doghouse. That's where the engine protrudes into the cabin area, and this was a huge need from our customers. They asked us over and over again just to push engine back into the engine compartment and provide me more legroom, more comfort. Other innovation on the interior are the seats. We're using very innovative materials on the cloth seats. They're water resistant, and we've added wear patches. Over and over again, when we're looking at the vans in the marketplace, after a couple of years of use, the seats are torn, they're worn from repeated entering and exiting the vehicle. So we added wear patches where it matters. These operators are on the road 24/7, seems like, and they treat the front cabin of their van as an office. So we came up with this mobile office concept, ability for the driver to write invoices, store clipboards and paperwork inside the cabin and make it look actually organized. So we created this mobile office, and some of the key elements of this are we have the first center console in the segment, and it happens to be a very large center console, multifunctional. It has provisions for file hanging folder, space, dedicated space for laptop, 120 volt outlet. It has multiple cup holders. It even has a little element to put a clipboard, clip in a clipboard. Fold flat passenger seat. You can use it as a writing surface. You can use it as, you can put your laptop on top of it. We're also providing with our technology package a navigation system with a backup camera, Bluetooth hands-free phone system, satellite radio, USB connectivity. We have done a lot of research on this product over the years. We've listened to hundreds of customers, owners of these products. We have listened to everything that they wanted in their next generation van, and we believe we've delivered on every one of those elements. We think this is going to be a great success.